All right, so today we're gonna go ahead and put these coilovers in. We went ahead and went with the Factionfab FR-SPEC V2s. Couldn't pass it up. Got a killer deal on them, so went ahead and went with them. So this is gonna be the first time me putting in coilovers, so we're gonna see how that works out. Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and start working towards getting the suspension stuff taken care of. Today we're gonna go ahead and add the Factionfab FR-SPEC V2s on. Reason I went with these was I got a killer deal on them, so I went ahead and picked them up. This is my first coilovers, so we'll see how they work. If I'm not satisfied, I'll probably pick up something else and see what else I like out there. But right now, we're gonna go ahead and install these, and then I'll get back with you guys. any suggestions, any advice, faster, easier ways to do it all, please go ahead and comment down below, because I'm open to all kind of suggestions. Alright, so getting the trunk put back together right now. Was able to go ahead and get the adjusters set in the trunk on both sides. So we got those in there. We'll make our adjustments and be good to go. Alright, so we got done with it, and we took it out right now. We're gonna have to adjust the fitment a little bit, as you can see, but still a little high. We're gonna bring it down some more, but we got them installed, and we're good to go. Next I'm gonna do is drive around and see how they feel, and